Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 with a cracked display, and it's already open for us. And David is gonna finish the job, so let's go! So right here, we're gonna try to remove the back cover on this Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. And although the screen at the front is already removed, I think the user or the client has tried to fix it themselves. But I'm also having a theory that this has been opened before due to that inconsistent application of liquid glue at the back. So it's also easy to remove, so that's a telltale sign that it has been opened before and the parts inside has been replaced, like the battery or the cameras. Now we're going to remove the shroud for the main board. We're going to detach this connector for the display, and the way we remove it is to pull it through this channel, but it's been pinched by this shroud for the daughter board. We're going to unscrew it and remove it. Then it's gonna be easier for us to pull it out. So this is gonna go to the bin for recycling, of course. Now we're gonna clean up the housing because this has been used before for a different screen replacement, and David wants a clean platform to install this new display. We're just gonna try this one. There's no glue yet, so if anything goes wrong, we can just remove it and get a replacement display. But as you can see, it's booting up nicely. It's showing Redmi Note 8 and the Android at the bottom, so it's going smoothly. Unfortunately, we can't show you the boot up process because of the wallpapers of the client. We can't show their faces. We can just show you how we test it with the cameras, and that's David. You can show his face. You will see him in the shop anyway, so better show it here. We're gonna detach the display cable, put it to the side first, and then let's apply liquid glue to the housing. So we're gonna apply sufficient amount so that the smartphone has at least an ample capability to repel dust that can go through the slot wherein there's no glue. So as we push in this replacement display, we can seal it at the same time. We're gonna align it, and excess liquid glue can still be cleaned up later on, so that's not a bad deal. Now we're gonna put the shrouds for the daughter board and the main board, and we're almost done. We're just gonna reverse the process, and if you have a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8, if you have a Samsung, if you have an iPhone that needs a new screen, battery, camera glass, back cover, charging ports, David can fix it for you. So he's been in this business for a very long time. He's called a Samsung expert for a reason, and he can fix almost any smartphone there is. As you can see, it's now at the final stage. We're just gonna try to boot it up, and if we can put some protective tempered glass on top of the display, if we have it in stock, we're gonna give it too. So the buds or the Q-tip is for the cleaning off the excess liquid glue. We're gonna try it one more time. Final testing. The charging, also good. It's in charging. You can see there. And now we're gonna turn it off and install the back cover. We have reused this from the first part of the video. We have removed and reused it. No need to replace this one. We're gonna clean off the glass, and of course, just like what I said, free tempered glass. Just one swipe and we're done. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. If you have any questions, if you want to have your smartphone fixed just like this one, you can head on to Sydney CBD Repair Centre or message us. We will accept mail-in repair requests from clients all around the world. And don't hesitate to like and subscribe. We release a lot more new videos every week. So thanks for joining, guys. Till next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.